What's up, everybody? This is Rain. I just want to take a couple of precious seconds out of life to let you know that I'm actually starting to become happy in mine, and that's something I've been seeking for a long time. And I mean, shit. I mean, everybody seeks happiness, but the main thing I want to tell you is to always keep going, always keep pushing, never give up, never back down. Don't let anyone or anything stop you from doing what's best for yourself. So, I mean, once you do best for yourself truly and truly love yourself, everything else will fall together like beautiful little puzzle pieces. I promise it will. You just gotta keep going and never give up. I mean, I've already accomplished things that I never imagined I could possibly accomplish, and I know I'm just getting started. I mean, this shit ain't gonna stop anytime soon unless my heart stops beating, and even then, my legacy will keep moving just off the things that I've done so far. But, y'all that keep up with me, there's a lot to come. And I hope every one of y'all strive for yourself to do best for yourself. I mean, it's just, you have no idea how important it is to actually love yourself and then love one another. You know, stop spreading all this hate, get some love together, stand together. There's nothing they fear more than us together in a singular purpose. Think about that. But either way, the main part of this message was to just keep persevering, keep pushing, keep going forward. Don't stop. Don't stop. There's no such thing as stop. Time is the most precious thing we have on this planet. You know, use it to the best of your ability while you have the opportunity to be here to do it. I mean, most of y'all probably ain't even listening, but I'm serious. Keep pushing. I'm out, right?